In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira in N8N. First, open your N8N workspace in a browser and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct project or space where you want this connection to live. Starting from the right place helps keep your automations organized and ensures anyone on your team with access can use the credentials later. Next, create a new workflow. You can give it a clear name and optional description so you'll remember what it's for. Even though we're focusing on the connection itself, creating the workflow first keeps everything tidy and ready for testing. Save the workflow so N8N can link any new credentials to it without issues. Now, head to the Credentials section in N8N and search for Jira. The search bar is the fastest way to find the built-in Jira credential type. Selecting the official Jira option ensures you get the correct authentication flow and supported permissions. If you manage multiple tools, this is also a good moment to verify you're choosing Jira and not a similarly named integration. Click Continue to begin setting up the connection. This takes you into the guided process where N8N collects just the details it needs and then hands you over to Jira to approve access. Keep your browser pop-up blockers off so the authentication window can open smoothly. When prompted, sign into your Atlassian account, choose the correct Jira site if you have more than one, and review the requested permissions. Grant access to proceed. If your organization restricts external app connections, you may need to ensure your N8N domain is allowed for OAuth redirects or approved by an administrator. Choose the account with the right project permissions. Read-only access won't work if you plan to create or update issues. After you allow access, you'll be redirected back to N8N, and the credential should show as connected or saved. A quick tip. If you're using multiple Atlassian profiles, confirm you're authenticating with the one that has access to the projects you care about. Also, if the window stalls on redirect, refresh the credentials page in N8N and check for a saved connection before trying again. That's it. Your Jira account is now connected in N8N. From here, you can use this credential in your workflow to create issues, read project data, and automate repetitive tasks. Remember to test with a simple action first, like listing projects, to confirm the connection is working as expected. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!